Hi everybody, welcome to the UC Berkeley Career Center. In this video, you will learn how to create your very own LinkedIn profile. So for today's agenda, we'll discuss why it's so essential to join LinkedIn and be part of this professional network. I will show you how to get started, and then we can go section by section on how to build out your profile. We will also talk about engagement, how to stay engaged and why it's important, as well as some additional resources that you can tap into, and finally, how you can get in touch with us at the Career Center. So why LinkedIn? Well, it's the world's largest professional network with more than 610 million users. Of those users, 40% of them visit daily. Most importantly, I would say for us here at Berkeley, 90% of recruiters actively use LinkedIn. There are over 20 million companies and approximately 14 million jobs posted on this platform. So I would say it's essential to be a part of this huge network. How to get started? You can register at www.linkedin.com. It's free to join. Once you input your first and last name, email address, create password, and click Join Now. The first part of your profile will be adding a photo. Everybody wants to have a face to a name, and profiles with photos are viewed 21 more times than ones without a photo. So make sure you're choosing a photo that puts your best face forward in good lighting and presents yourself in a very professional manner. The next section of your profile will be your headline, or what I would like to call the hook. This is a great way to attract other connections and other recruiters to who you are holistically. It appears right under your name and your picture, and it's a very concise one-liner that describes who you are and what you're interested in. So instead of something as simple as UC Berkeley student majoring in chemical engineering, you can turn that into chemical engineer, product developer, beauty enthusiast, to show not only who you are, but also what you're passionate about. The next section of your profile is the About section, and it expands upon your headline. So if you take the first example of the headline with the chemical engineering background, you would expand it to something like current UC Berkeley student trained in product development with a passion in the beauty industry, seeking full-time role where I can apply my technical and creative problem-solving skills. So here you're not only addressing your background and what you're currently doing, but also where your future interest areas are. The next section of your profile will include your experience and is very similar to your resume, but just in a more concise format. So you want to highlight the jobs and internships and research experiences that you already have. Make sure you're using keywords that are relevant to your current industry as well as your desired field. You can also upload attachments of projects or presentations that you've completed. Make sure you're focusing on your own personal contributions. The next section is your skills section, and just like your resume, you want to highlight any technical, language, or lab skills right here on your profile. Having at least 5 skills on your profile gets you up to 17 times more profile views and up to 31 times more messages from recruiters and others who can help you get ahead in your job search. You can also review your dream job postings and profiles of people who have roles you want as a guide to figure out which skills you should be adding and marketing on your profile. All right, you've just completed your profile. Now what? You want to stay engaged on this platform because recruiters read your feed, just like any other social media platform where you're sharing stories or adding posts. You want to do the same on this professional platform by creating or sharing relevant content. You can also follow companies and people of interest. This will keep you in tune with industry trends and news, which can also alert you about new jobs. It can also provide topics of discussions when going on informational interviews, and it also serves as empirical evidence of your passion and interest areas. Finally, here's another resource that can help you. LinkedIn has its own page for students, and it includes videos and additional checklists that can help you in your job search process. This concludes our video on creating your own LinkedIn profile. Please follow us on social media at Cal Career Center for additional resources, videos, and ways to enhance your job search. Thank you.